Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of virtualization and pitting three major players against each other: VMware, Hyper-V, and KVM. Which one is the right choice for your enterprise? Let's find out. Virtualization has revolutionized the way businesses operate, allowing for greater efficiency, flexibility, and cost savings. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right virtualization platform for your enterprise. That's where we come in. First up, we have VMware. It's the OG of virtualization with a strong reputation in the industry. It offers a robust set of features and is compatible with a wide range of operating systems. However, with great features comes a hefty price tag. So if you have a large budget and require advanced features, VMware may be the way to go. Next, we have Hyper-V. As Microsoft's virtualization platform, it seamlessly integrates with their other products and offers a cost-effective solution for Windows-based enterprises. Its management tools are user-friendly, and it also supports a variety of operating systems. However, it may not have as many features as VMware and may not be the best choice for non-Windows environments. Lastly, we have KVM. It's the open-source option, making it free to use and highly customizable. It's also known for its strong performance and security. However, it may not have the same level of support and features as VMware and Hyper-V, making it more suitable for smaller enterprises with specific needs. So which one should you choose? Well, it ultimately depends on your organization's needs and budget. If you need a robust and feature-rich platform, VMware may be the best fit. If you're a Windows-based enterprise on a budget, Hyper-V could be the way to go. And if you value open source and customization, KVM may be the right choice for you. But here's the key insight. Don't make your decision based solely on price or brand name. Consider your organization's specific needs and do your research. Don't be afraid to consult with experts or take advantage of free trials to test out the platforms yourself. In the end, the right virtualization platform for your enterprise is the one that meets your specific needs and helps you achieve your business goals. So take the time to evaluate your options and make an informed decision. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.